Alright guys, we got everything loaded up. Like I said, the shield, not 2.0, comes with an 8 and a 7 round magazine. This is a single stack. Taurus GX4 comes with two 11 round magazines. Is double stack pistol. G3C comes with three 12 round magazines. We only loaded to two because we think we can make up our mind between a mag each. That may not happen. We may have some that make it to the finals. This is the Glock G43. Comes with two 6-round magazines. We all agree that they really should have a little more capacity in this single stack pistol, but I said two 6-round mags. And the Canik, this is the TP9 Elite SC, comes with a 12 and 15 round magazine. So definitely the winner of the capacity challenge here. All right, let's see.
We have People's Choice Best Concealed Carry Weapon
of 2020.
This is a Canik TP9 Elite SC. Right off the bat, it's a little heavy. Some people that's a problem. Some people wear really baggy clothes or really loose-fitting clothes, and that's a little bit of a, problem for them. But for those of you that'll wear a belt,
Also got an optics mount on that one.
It'll hold up. But I gotta say, one of my favorite things right off the bat has got to be the optics mount. It's got this little plate right here. You can unbolt and bolt on an optic, a red dot.
Hollow sights, red dot.
Hollow sights, yeah.
That'll be pretty cool. Pretty cool for a little guy. And then it's already there. Glock, Taurus, well, just about everyone I can think of right now in the market in the same price range. You have to buy an entirely new slide. So you're looking at $150 or more for another slide for your pistol. This one's already ready. And you can put your sight on here and still have your rear sight, so you can co-witness through the sight. That's something a lot of them are missing on, in my opinion, because they'll have a plate here that the rear sight goes. You lose the rear sight when you put your optic on. And I don't know if any of you guys know, but batteries don't last forever. So if you need it and it don't work, now you have no sights.
And this also has capability to fire without a magazine. It's got no magazine disconnect.
Yes.
Somebody drops a magazine on you, you can still fire that one last round.
I know that's definitely a deal breaker for some people when a firearm has a magazine disconnect. It's an extra safety measure, but a lot of people, especially people that have been in combat, hand-to-hand combat, something like that, will tell you that can be a deal breaker on them when they can't fire it after somebody's dropped their mag. So that's really cool that has that.
And I've heard from different sources that this is the best trigger. Best trigger pull, best trigger feel. So
we're gonna find out.
We're about to find out. Again,
we're not picky, guys. We're not trigger snobs. We'll shoot anything. We don't care.
Yeah.
But everybody knows if you've got a better trigger, lighter pull, especially one that breaks a little bit, not as far back on the frame like a Taurus. The G3 breaks almost all the way back. That can throw people off, your accuracy off and everything. And supposedly, this is the best trigger on the market, hands down, anywhere. And regardless of price point, it's supposed to be the best. So we're really excited about it.
Yes. Again, this is a Canik TP9 Elite SC, and I'll let you know what I think in a minute. Alrighty. Range is hot. You're standing in the way.
Oh, again?
Yeah.
Oh man,
That's
I
all
was
right.
loading that mag up. Now you have to shoot again.
I don't know if y'all saw those last few rounds, but this right here, gotta say, it's remarkable. For a budget weapon,
There's a lot of value in that one.
I would carry this despite the weight. And, you know, despite the weight, I would carry this above everything else here. Second choice for me would be the GX4. Then I'd go with the G3C, Shield 9, and then the Glock 43. That's my rankings. But personally, my favorite thing about this is it's not that snappy. It's got a great trigger pull, and it's not really spongy. You pull it, it's gone. And it's just, it's comfortable. It's got a good grip. The handle's a little bigger and a little more rounded, but for some people that's a pro. I like that a lot. I feel I have more control over the gun. Personally, this is my favorite here.
Like that one, huh?
Yeah.
Once again, he gave me the one with the full grip. Guys, even with the pinky extension, I can still get a full grip on this handgun. And some guy in the video is like, oh, you got huge hands. Well, I don't think they're that big. I've seen guys with a lot bigger hands than me. So, that's definitely, obviously, going to give you more grip. But I said with this one, I think it'll be fine too. But I'm excited. It's been my first Canik that I've had a privilege of testing out. How you like that sight on the front?
Oh, it's great. First time shooting, I'd aim up and to the right, but
It's got one of the good things about Canik, it's going to come with almost everything that you can do to this gun already on it. I said with the trigger supposed to be one of the best. It's already ambidextrous with a slide release. You can change the magazine release here to the other side, and comes with Warren tactical steel sights. This is supposed to be kind of a glow sight on the front. So said the only upgrade I could see you could really do is maybe put some of the other ones use a fiber optic or a tritium night sight. We don't really care because we use lights and stuff. So. All right, one hop, see if I can hit anything. That's nice.
that was 13 out of 15.
Looks nice, man.
That was 13 out of 15.
All right, we shoot at little small plates here in case anybody's wondering, but we're not firearms experts. We don't get out to the range nearly as much as anyone else, so we're regular guys. So if we can do it, man, the fish are freaking killing it over there.
Yeah.
If we can do this, everyone can do this. I like it. I like it. You know, it is a little top heavy, but you know, it eats up a lot of the recoil with that heavier slide. So I mean, this thing really feels good.
Yeah.
And it does have an impressive trigger. Very accurate. I can shoot it very accurate. He can shoot it very accurate, and you can get on target in a hurry with this gun.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah. This one, I said it may be a little heavier for some as far as everyday concealed carry goes. But if you don't mind that, this is a great little gun. I mean, if I was going to, next to this, double stacked, obviously GX4, it's killing it. There's no comparison there.
Yeah.
Then my third favorite would probably be the Shield. I like the G3C. I think I like it more after I do a trigger job on it. But the Shield is really, I like the Shield. I probably wouldn't carry it because I like a double stack myself, but the Shield's that's nice gun. I like it. But this thing isn't. This is a whole new ball game for this. This is not even. It's so far above every. Yeah, it's not fair. It's so far ahead of everybody else. It's not even funny. This thing's great. All right, guys. Now that's going to do it for us on these. We're going to plink around with them a little bit more, just because we're here, and we're going to do a video on some full-size guns. The Canik we may bring it back. We've got another Canik, the full size, we're going to do a comparison on, but we're going to get those out and give you our thoughts on those and see what you guys think.